Hi, my name is Chad, and I am taking a look at the Withings BPM Connect. Let's open it up right now. So this is your typical blood pressure monitor that somebody at the clinic or the hospital would do for you. Pretty straightforward. One button on here. Also comes with a power cable and instruction manual. It's nice to be able to get your blood pressure readings wherever you're at. I do it when I'm at home, just watching TV when I'm relaxed. 2 presses of the button and it starts. The nice thing, the part that I like the most, is it connects to my phone. And via the app, I can look at my history and track my blood pressure over time. And the other nice thing is I've got different profiles for our family. So my wife and I, and then our 4 kids. And so once I'm done with the blood pressure results, it'll give me an option to select which person that it's doing the readings for. So after this one's done, we'll get the readings, and then I will cycle through the different people in our family until it gets to my name, and then I'll press and hold, and then it automatically sends it. I absolutely love the portability of this Withings blood pressure monitor. It's light, it's simple to use, super convenient. I can take it wherever I want to. If I need to charge it, I just plug this into your typical USB, and this plugs in to charge it, and I'm ready to go. But the portability and ease of use and quick readings makes this thing an absolute winner.